How to calculate the effective interest rate. All to know. The effective annual interest rate is the real return that one gets on the savings account, an interest-paying investment, taking the compounding over time into account. Here is a guide on how to calculate the effective interest rate on loan, a credit card, or any other considerable debt. The formula for the effective interest rate is R equals 1 plus INN1, or the effective annual rate equals 1 plus nominal interest rate number of compounding periods 1. While calculating the effective interest rate, always remember, the more periods, n, the investment or loan compound, the higher will be the effective annual rate. Let's take an example. For a 10% interest rate, 4 times a year compounding mandate, the effective rate, 1 plus 10% 4 equals 10.38%. Knowing the calculation of effective interest rate helps in determining better rates in financial investment, interest paid on loan, and home mortgages. Thank you for watching. If you need help with more such accounting and financing topics, you can get instant online assignment help from us. Chat with now. For more. www.homeworkminutes.com